Namaskar. It is absolutely shocking to see the lethargic attitude of this double engine Sarkar, especially by Dr. Pramod Sawant. I think it shows that they have failed miserably to protect Goa's interest. खास करून कालच्या दिसाक जेन्ना एक डेलिगेशन गेलें led by the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to the Prime Minister, especially Egule Gallo with regards to our lifeline Madai. आमी जेन्ना हो इश्यू विधानसभेन घेतलेलो आनी म्हाका दिसता at the start the Congress government was always proactive. आणि एक ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन त्या वेळार काँग्रेस पार्टीन डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंगाक व्हरून म्हादय वॉटर ट्रिब्युनल ही फॉर्म जाल्ली. आमी सदांच ह्या सरकारा कडेन ऑलवेज वी हॅव आस्क्ड हिम फॉर एन ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन टू बी टेकन टू Delhi to meet the Prime Minister. And it was assured to us by the Chief Minister. Today, this government and the Chief Minister enka appointment mera with regards to taking an all-party delegation to Madai of Madai to Delhi. This shows how serious this double engine Sarkar is. आणि गोंयचे हाल करपाक आज वो डबल इंजिन सरकार मुखार बीजेपीचो डबल इंजिन सरकार मुखार सरलेलो आहा. खास करून जे होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह बेलगांवच्या गांवांत कर्नाटकाच्या गांवांत इलेक्शनाच्या वेळार सांगलेलें की गोंयचो सरकार आनी त्या वेळाचो कर्नाटकाचो सरकार दोगांय मेळोन हे कॉम्प्रमायज जाला म्हणून तेजेर म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन कांयच उलयलें ना. आमी डिमांड करता की डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हॅज टू आन्सर दीस क्वेश्चन्स. जस्ट बाय हे सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता एक संवय जाल्या एंड इट इज वन ऑफ द मेजर लिटिगंट इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, इन ऑल द कोर्ट्स. दे आर एंटी constitutional decisions against social activists, against environmentalists, against the citizens of Goa. हांकां संवय जालेली आहा लोकांक कोर्टान व्हरपाक. कोर्टान जातलें तें जातलें मागीरचें, बट वी हॅव फूल फेथ इन द कोर्ट. बट टुडे when you boast about your double engine sarkar, what stops you from withdrawing this DPR? This DPR has to be withdrawn immediately. आमकां जेन्ना विधानसभेन हाऊस कमिटी फॉर्म एक जाली, this house committee basically is defunct. One meeting and then they announce आतां बिस्तें whitewash करपाक that there is some inspection. It is only through some NGOs and Patrakar Bhav that when this issue is highlighted, at that time this government gets alert. Our Mother Madai has been diverted and our government म्हाका दिसता is absolutely not serious. आमी demand करता. The only way that Madai could be saved looks like now is that the Madai wildlife जो sanctuary है, it has to be reserved as declared as a tiger reserve. विधानसभेन आमी मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगलें, आमी एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टराक सांगलें, आमी WRD मिनिस्टराक सांगलें, with declaring Madai wildlife sanctuary as a tiger reserve. Is Madai safe? They had no answers. They are basically they have compromised Goa's interest, and this has been happening at the dictatorial attitude from the Prime Minister's office. आणि ताबडतोब हेजे मुखेलमंत्रीन म्हाका दिसता एक ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन व्हरून we have to say, because आमी पयले गोंयकार, we went to that extent. I went to the extent we said we should create pressure. Let us all even resign as MLAs let there be a crisis and let them know that Goans are not for sale.
युरी बाब तुवें आतां म्हटलें हें आतां इन्स्पेक्शन जाता तें फकत पत्रकारांक लागून आनी एक्टिविस्टांक लागून एनजीओक सो ऑपोजिशन 7 जाण आहा ते कितें करता तर ते सीएमाक गव्हर्मेंटाक कित्याक प्रेशरायज करता
See, आमी सदांच प्रेशरायज करताच तुम्ही चोयतले ह्या विधानसभेन पासून वॉट एवर मिडियम्स वी हॅव प्रेशरायज हाऊस कमिटी जेन्ना आपोवपाची इट बिलोंग्स द चेअरमॅन हॅज टू कॉल फॉर अ मीटिंग who has to call for a meeting whenever it was reminded to the chairman of this house committee these meetings are not called these committees are basically defunct and definitely I congratulate and I've always congratulated the NGO and activists because they have gone on the site. This government doesn't have the will to go. They are basically here only to compromise. We will raise this issue again in the assembly and basically the chief minister needs to understand. Let us not take Goans for granted.
सो ऑपोजिशन कमी पडटा ऑपोजिशनाचे आयकना गव्हर्मेंट
Now, see, oppositionaचे आयकना said they are in the ruling. With their brute majority, चल मत येते decision घेते थे. There is one decision in the interest of the state. Today, double engine सरकार कोणागे आहे? Ruling कोण आहे? Who has to take these decisions? फक्त depending on the judiciary is not the solution for it. We have full faith in the judiciary. But we said that declare. Who has to declare this tiger reserve? The government has to declare. We have told them time and over again. But they are not interested.
सर कर्नाटकाने पळयता जाल्यार काँग्रेसचेच गव्हर्नमेंट आणि तुम्ही सुद्धा आता काँग्रेसचे तो हाऊ यू लुक एट दिस इश्यू
See, the Congress government gave the Madhai Water Tribunal when there was an all-party delegation. Okay. Today, the Congress party also protested in Jantar Mantar in Delhi. Apart from that, I don't look at this as Congress or BJP. Let us not give it as any political color. This is an issue of Goenka. We are Goans first. Dr. Pramod Sawant is also a Goenkar. I am also a Goenkar. So as Goenkars, let us keep our party affiliation secondary. Yeah, open ulela Vidhan Sabha. We have to focus what is in the interest of the party. Let us all resign. Let him initiate it to create a crisis.